Welcome back to Begin Your Business. What's an easy and effective way to get your business in front of people in your target market? Collaborate with another business. Collaborations benefit the participating businesses by having their business promoted to the other business's audience, which comes the recommendation from that business. They wouldn't have collaborated with you if they wouldn't recommend your offer, and increased sales because people love a good deal or challenge. There are a few types of collaborations, including packages and bundles, challenges, exclusive discounts and free gifts, and just plain old working together. When you put together a package deal or bundle your services, think of a theme. How do your offers work together, and can you base them off of an upcoming holiday or seasonal activity? Make sure to include the retail rate and how much the discount is. People love to save money, as well as the ease of booking a package or bundle and receiving multiple things in it. It saves time, and instead of them having to book each thing individually. A really good challenge example is to create a bingo card or passport with activities that are to be completed with the participating businesses. Let's say you assemble 10 businesses. Activities could include order an appetizer, get a spa treatment, purchase an accessory, etc. Each business would sign off, stamp, or add a sticker to the completed activity, and the full card can enter the player in a raffle or earn them a special gift or discount. This is a fun one because it's easy to execute, and you can either work with businesses in your industry or outside of it. Next, you could offer exclusive discounts to customers of another business. For services, a discount with another service provider in your general industry, like wellness, makes sense. For experiences, think of what would go well with one another. A cool, refreshing drink after a movie? It makes the night last longer. And finally, your business can choose to exclusively use the products or services of another. There's no discount or offer included. You just choose to source your ingredients, products, or services from a local provider. How do you start collaborating? Just ask. Start with businesses you know or are in a complementary industry to yours. As you continue on your business journey, you'll make more connections and find more ways to collaborate. You are almost through Begin Your Business. High five. In our final lesson, you'll learn an overview of marketing, including one thing you can do as a new business owner that will supercharge your early growth. It's free. I'll see you there.